Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 22nd inaugurated and laid the foundation for development projects worth about 12,930 crore rupees in Meerut, giving a major boost to infrastructure and urban mobility in western Uttar Pradesh. He also flagged off the Meerut Metro and dedicated the 82-kilometer Delhi-Meerut Namo Bharat corridor. Addressing a public gathering alongside Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the Prime Minister said the scale and pace of the projects reflected the BJP's work culture. He said that once his government laid a foundation stone, it ensured timely completion. He added that improved law and order and safer travel had increased public confidence and attracted investment to the region. At Shatabdi Nagar station, Modi flagged off the Meerut Metro and the Namo Bharat train and later took a metro ride to Meerut South station. He inaugurated the remaining sections of India's first regional rapid transit system, including a 5-kilometer stretch between Sarai Kale Khan and New Ashok Nagar in Delhi, and a 21-kilometer stretch between Meerut South and Modipuram in Uttar Pradesh. The Namo Bharat trains, with a design speed of 180 km per hour, connect Delhi with key urban centers such as Shahibabad, Ghaziabad, Modinagar and Meerut. The Sarai Kale Khan station has been developed as a multimodal hub with links to Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station, the Delhi's Metro Pink Line, Veer Hakikat Rai ISBT and the Ring Road. Modi also recalled his personal association with Meerut, noting that he had launched his Lok Sabha election campaigns in 2014, 2019 and 2024 from the city.